We'll guide you through how to write with ChatGPT effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the OpenAI website and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll see the ChatGPT interface. To start writing, simply click on the New Chat button. This will open a fresh chat window where you can begin. Now, think about what you want to write. Whether it's an article, a story, or a report, you need to provide ChatGPT with a clear prompt. For example, if you're writing an article about climate change, you could start by typing, "Write a 500-word article about the impacts of climate change on polar bears." Hit enter, and ChatGPT will generate content based on your prompt. As it writes, you can interact with it by asking for more details, rephrasing certain parts, or even changing the tone. If you want to refine the output, try saying, "Make it more formal," or "Add more examples." ChatGPT will adjust accordingly. If you're not satisfied with the first draft, don't worry. You can regenerate the response as many times as you need until it aligns with your vision. Remember, the key is to be specific and clear with your instructions. The more context you provide, the better ChatGPT can assist you. Also, take advantage of the Continue Writing feature if you want to explore more on the topic. By doing this, you can develop a more comprehensive piece. Don't forget to frequently save your work by copying and pasting it into a document on your computer. This ensures that you don't lose any valuable content. Writing with ChatGPT can be a collaborative and creative process, so feel free to experiment with different styles and topics. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.